OTD hat and a little bun at the back because it's raining outside, and this is my everyday bag. Yeah, I'm gonna be wearing boots. Yeah. Okay, so I got all the groceries like in the cart right here. That was a lot. It was like so much, but yeah, I'm just gonna put these away. Take this off because I'm home now because it's raining, so I was trying so hard to protect my hair because I washed it yesterday night, which probably was a bad idea, and straightened it. But yeah, now I can go ahead and put it back in a ponytail, and let's get it. Now you guys are just gonna watch me put these groceries away. But before we do, actually, something came in the mail. I believe it's a hanger for the thing for the door. So yeah, and it's just an adjustable door hanger. I think this height should be fine. So it's black, and you just go ahead and take this, the door, there you go. So I'm gonna set that up right now. A lot of people make fun of me for this, but I use disinfectant spray on my groceries. And this came about from COVID, but now I have actually implemented it in my life.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. Oh, I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, they don't know how to fit. Right amount of love, play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul.
So we went out to Uptown Dallas, and we went to Jonathan Adler to get my best friend's gift for her graduation / birthday, and I hope she likes it. They did wrap it up nicely. We also went to CB2 to get some more home decor stuff since I was already in the area. We got these stems to add on to the flowers that we had in the vase. They are faux pampas grass stems, so yeah, I don't want to get the real ones because they can get kind of messy. So yeah, I got 2 to add on. I feel like this will fill it up quite nicely. Also got napkins. We are gonna go ahead and decorate the seating area where my bar stools are on the island. We got some napkins, which I really like. I think they're so cute. I got 3 because I know that we're gonna be getting one more bar stool pretty soon. We also went and got a glass to replace the one that Jay broke, although he says it was me, but he broke it while he was putting stuff in the dishwasher and they weren't on the right track. We also went to Crate and Barrel, and we got like the napkin rings. I hope it's not making noise while I'm talking. We got napkin rings to put around the napkins. So here they are. And they're gold, they go with the theme. It's like 3 per set, and they're very modern and cute, so I love them. You guys are gonna see once I get them decorated, they're all the same. Last and final thing are these decorative dinner plates. These are just gonna be for decor. I think they will make everything look so good. So yeah, let's go ahead and decorate.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever come, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Guess what came in today? You guys are gonna see us put that together. Well, maybe after it's done, because honestly, that's just tedious. Can you guess what it is? I'm excited. Hi everybody, so today's a new day. It's actually Christmas Eve. Everybody's all in the holiday spirit and we love that. I actually went to Target to get a few things so that we could start maybe our own Christmas traditions, which I'm very excited about. Firstly, I had measuring cups that I didn't really like because the numbers on them and the accurate measurements on them were fading off, and that was annoying me majorly. So what I went and got was these gray and white measuring cups. They're like different shades of gray. I love these because the measurements are actually imprinted into the cup instead of just painted on. I also got some sugar cookie dough because we are gonna go ahead and start cookie decorations as one of our traditions as well. So tomorrow on Christmas Day, I'm gonna go ahead and have a cookie decorating competition with Jay. That's something I plan on carrying on with my kids whenever we have kids and all that in the future. So yeah, we wanted to get like the full-on cookie decorating kit, but then I was out of luck. Of course, I do last minute shopping quite a lot. So I managed to get this, which are like the sprinkles and edible confetti. Pretty fun mix. They're all sugar based. Pretty excited. I don't even know how much that was. I got rid of the receipts for what, I don't know. We got the cookie cutters as well. I also got this frosting here. I also have some piping bags over there, so we're probably gonna use those. We also got some food coloring, so I got a couple of different primary colors. We got the red, yellow, green, and blue. The big baking pan, so here it is, because I didn't want to do them in batches. I also got us PJs. I, of course, like last minute shopping. I don't know why I do that, but I couldn't find the black and white PJs that we wanted, so I just got us other matching PJs which are not Christmas themed. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these away. Then afterwards I'm gonna clean up the house quite a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start with wrapping up gifts. Well, not wrapping up, I'm gonna put them in gift bags because I am terrible at wrapping. I don't know if anybody else is terrible at wrapping gifts. I did not get that talent, so gift bags it is. But then we're gonna kind of decorate them a little bit. Jay's the one who was gifted, but I couldn't have him look at his own gifts, so I will get back to you guys as soon as I put these things away and we can go ahead and bag those gifts. got this frame to get the painting that I got for above the bar behind me. I'm gonna show you in a little bit when I'm done with everything. And I want to see whether this frame will work out. The art print itself is 22 by 27. And as you can see, this frame is 22 by 28. It won't be much of a difference, but this was the only frame I could find literally everywhere. I went to IKEA, I went to Hobby Lobby, I went to Michael's, I went to Target, I went hunting, okay? Apparently that's actually a custom size. I should have looked that up before actually ordering the art and then deciding on the art size, but it is what it is. We work with what we got. Since it's black and I needed gold, we are gonna spray paint it. So that's why the boxes behind me are right there.
All you gotta do is say yes. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, and dress your day. Open up your mind, just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, and dress your day.
I'm so upset that got my entire apartment dirty. By dirty I mean literally like gold specks everywhere. Every single area in this house, from the stove to the floor over there to the TV stand, everything, if I mean everything, had gold specks on it. This gold speck dust was all over. I just got done cleaning that. I'm glad I didn't clean before. I would have been more pissed if that happened. So now what we're gonna do, because it came out really nice, we are gonna go ahead and get the picture and put it in the frame and see what it's giving. Yeah, let's do that.
Open up your mind, just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. You make me so. We could take a step to see if this is really gonna be. All you gotta do.
Yeah, I'll never get over you until I find something new.
Hello everybody, Merry Christmas. Today we are gonna go ahead and bake cookies, and then I'm gonna show you guys the roast that I made yesterday with the mashed potatoes. It looks so good. I'm about to dish up, and then after we eat, that's when we can come back and then make the cookies. So yeah, well, you guys just stay tuned.
Make some cookies.
Why you gotta say it like that? First, wait, why are you already taking that? Where's the cookie dough?
What happened to the one I want? The cookie.
It's not there. It wasn't there. They bought them up. Cookie cutters. Some butter. Him washing his hands. Cookie dough. So we got the sugar cookies because that's what we're going to be making. And then we'll decorate them after we bake them. Other people decorate them before they bake them, but I don't know. Heat oven to 350 degrees. Yeah, go ahead.
Two?
Yeah, and then smash them so that you can create the thingy. Well, I need something to kind of roll it out.
The roll.
Okay, I don't know. We don't have to roll it out. Let me grease the tray first. That way you can put it on the grease tray.
We should have put butter here too because it's sticky.
Oh, you're right.
Let's put butter first.
Okay, yeah.
It's really hard to take out.
Well, you do it. I don't want to mess up your snowman. So I'm doing a candy cane.
No.
It's not coming off?
What the? No. Look at that.
Is this about to be a fail?
Yeah, you look like a damn bill.
Oh, wait, let's do it on the cookie tray. Hold on, can we? What is this? It's gonna be so messy.
Look him up pretty good.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think so. How do people do this?
By doing it,
How though?
is they professional?
Yeah, this is about to be a mess. I cannot. You got it?
Oh!
Okay. Just kinda. Why am I messing with yours? This is a competition.
Yo, if you guys making fun of my damn cookies, we're gonna fight.
Me neither.
Perfection, bro. I
Cannot.
That's stocking.
I know.
That's stocking.
That's not a stock. Well, that one's a stocking. This one is a candy cane.
Oh.
You want?
No, I'll give my own
Okay.
thing. Oh, you're such a rookie, bro. You know what?
What?
We should have put butter so it doesn't stick.
What's done is done. We'll learn for next year. I've baked cookies before, but I've never done like pre-made cookie dough. So, and the ones I made like actually came out good. Remember when we made the shortbread cookies? Okay. I should. Okay, what are we making with this? Because that star said no. And the candy cane's now refusing. You know what? I can make my own candy cane. I can shape it. See? Look. Alright. The rest of yours. This is crazy. I'm about to show you. And this is how they're turning out. You guys, we suck. But this is our first time doing this. See, mine came out cute. Well, except for my gingerbread man. Yours looks better. Can you make my gingerbread?
No.
Stop making fun of it. Y'all see what he does to me? We're gonna see how this turns out. It's the decoration part that matters, okay? Yours looking like a gingerbread man doesn't mean it's gonna look like a gingerbread man after you're done decorating. We are gonna go ahead and bake these, then afterwards we'll go ahead and decorate and we will show you guys after we're done. See y'all in a bit. Alright, so let's see what we're working with. Oh my goodness. Y'all see that? They became big blobs. Maybe the decorating will redeem. Okay. So just gonna put them here and let them cool. Yeah, so this was a fail. Some of my cookies are broken. I'm trying to take them off and yeah. We're just gonna have these with some hot chocolate and call it a day because what? We are really gonna have to try this some other time. What do I have to say for myself? There's always next time, okay?
Next time I'm gonna beat you.
Let me just go ahead and show you guys by the bar area. So this is the bar itself. I don't know if I ended up showing you guys after like I set it up, but yeah, this is the bar itself. And then babe got me a wine opener. I'm pretty happy about that. It's all set. And this is the art I got. They put it up because I'm not that skilled. But yeah, this is how it turned out. And this is the whole area. Yay.
Of course, for me, the best.
Jay made some hot chocolate and we're having the cookies with hot chocolate now instead. And then we'll do the cookie baking contest sometime later. That's it for tonight. We're about to just watch some movie. I'll see you guys later. Bye.